Does your job just feel like it means to an end? Are you feeling unfulfilled in the work you do? If that's you, click the link and check out a free on-demand workshop. It'll teach you how to start and build an online business from scratch. Replace your salary so you can start working on projects you really care about. The thing with jobs is that they're supposed to provide you with purpose and an income and security so that you can lead a fulfilling life. But let's just say that you find out that there's other projects you'd rather be working on. Well, you can't just quit your job because you need an income coming in to support your lifestyle and your personal and professional responsibilities. So what do? Well, you can give up on your dreams and aspirations and continue trading your time for money until you retire, which is a pretty sad life. Or you can click the link and watch the workshop and learn the skills to create an online business that can be grown quickly around your current working hours. And it's not as dependent on your time like a job is because it runs on tools and systems that you install that do the hard work for you, ultimately freeing you up to work on projects and do things that you really care about. Okay, so how are these workshops useful to you? Well, for one, they'll introduce you to business models that are available, some of which are automatable, such as affiliate marketing, where you can earn a commission just by promoting someone else's product or service that you endorse, right? The other thing is, in today's world, with the amount of tech available, it's so simple that anyone can use it, as long as they have the right guidance. And that's where these workshops come in. Well, they'll teach you the exact tech required so that once you have the tools and systems installed and in place, you'll be making sales on autopilot. I'm Will Martin, and I was feeling very uninspired and unenthused with my corporate agricultural management job. I was working all the time, just wasn't getting paid enough, and just realized I just wasn't doing what I wanted to do. I've always wanted to have a farm of my own. I wanted to have avocados, blueberries, and recently figs, seriously. But I just didn't have the time or money to do that. So I got started building an online business because I needed to create an income that could, one, replace my salary, that could be grown quickly, and that wasn't so dependent on my time like my job is. So I watched these workshops and I continued to get more in-depth training, which really helped me continue to build my online business. And I currently have everything in place so that I can scale very quickly. Look, if you're interested, click the link and submit your email. I'll send you the free workshop right away that'll teach you how to build an online business from scratch. Just so you know, you're not alone here. Aside from me being right there next to you, there are over 3,000 community members who've all used this online training to launch their online business. So that could be you. Look, I know what you're thinking, but trust me, it doesn't matter if you're working full-time or if you have personal and professional responsibilities. You can watch these workshops on your own time. You can implement the teachings around your schedule, and you can build your business at a pace that suits you. I know what else you're thinking, but it doesn't matter what kind of tech background you have. In today's digital economy, like I said earlier, the tech available is so simple that anyone can use it, provided the right guidance, which these workshops will help you. So what are you waiting for? Click the link and submit your email, and I'll send you the free workshops today so you can start building your online business from scratch.